Greetings folks, William C. Rogers back at you with another video, and today we're going to do a quick review over on 89.easymoneysite.biz. And as you can see on the screen here, it's the greatest collection ever put together of fully unrestricted private label rights ebooks that you can grab right now for literally pennies each. Now, these are unrestricted private label rights, meaning that once you grab the product, you can claim authorship, you can edit it as you will, and you can resell it for whatever price you choose, or you could simply use the content for, say, blog posts or social media posts. Maybe, you know, when you run out of ideas, you can just use this different content as even tweets or anything. Even for video content, you could construct a video script. There's different things you can do with all this, or as I said, you can simply resell it. Now, these different private label rights ebooks, they're spanned over across many different niches or industries or categories, if you will. And let's just go ahead and scroll a little bit. These are the different terms and conditions. Like I said, you can pretty much do whatever you want with them. You can even publish them offline in offline publications, magazines, whatever. You know, it's totally your choice. These are some of the ebooks. Well, we'll actually just kind of scroll through all of them. Let's go ahead and set out so we can get a better view. See, you'll see, yeah, that there is some internet marketing things, or some real estate things, mindset. Oh, there's all kinds of niches covered. You're gonna see as I continue to scroll, and you have, like you can see how it says, you have the book in PDF format, the raw document files, and the editable source book e-covers. You can make them how you want. You can put all new graphics on them if you choose, and you can sell them for whatever price that you want. I just wanted you to see, going through them, just gives you an idea. And see, the thing about this is 89 of them, and you're gonna see what the price is now. In just a second, you're gonna see what the price is, and you're gonna understand you're getting them currently at about 89 cents each. I also got some bonuses. Why don't you take a look at that? And again, this is at 89.easymoneysite.biz. You can see I'm even throwing in some private classroom lessons that's going to teach you a lot about how all this works, how to get traffic, how to put together your ebooks. But I even have a service on the other side that you'll see where I can at least install this particular sales page for you, because you do get a basic copy of the sales page you're going to get. Okay. Just wanted to show you that. Once again, that's at 89.easymoneysite.biz, and you get full private label rights to 89 different ebooks. Great content you can use, great content you can resell, great content you can offer as bonuses for all you digital marketers. You know, you offer these cool, you bundle them up in a certain way, and then you offer it as a bonus. Hey, if you buy this said product, I'll throw in these bonuses, and you can use some of these. There's a whole bunch of things you can do with private label rights. And again, you will have the authorship. You can claim authority with this. Okay? Once again, William C. Rogers. That's over at 89.easymoneysite.biz. Once you come on, take a look at it. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep up the price. As I said, it's 89 of them, the private label rights. I mean, at that particular price that it currently is, even if you were to sell each ebook at about $5 each, you'd still make an incredible profit. I mean, you're just not going to lose here. Okay. Once again, that's 89.easymoneysite.biz. Okay, I'm not going to hold you any longer. Please like and subscribe. We're trying to really get in the YouTube algorithm. We've got some great review videos. A lot of people have been liking, and we just want to get it more out there. So go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and check out 89.easymoneysite.biz. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.